What's good, people? So right now we're setting up to shoot for a bank. So you're gonna see the behind the scenes. I'm using the Lumix S5 and the sun is a bit bright, but we'll see how it goes because this is like quick run and gunning filmmaking, so you just have to be quick. Yeah. What's good, people? In today's episode, I'm going to show you my run and gun filmmaking experience in Namibia for a very big client. I won't be able to show you the final video. You just have to wait until the client releases the final video. One of the things that I've learned in Namibia is there's so much harsh light. You have to deal with so much bright sunlight, and one of the tools that you need most is a variable ND filter. So for those people who are in conditions where it's too much harsh light, make sure you buy that variable ND filter. So enjoy, subscribe, like and share. They can first that way.
Yeah, we want to be. You can also just say we're assisting with the Apple project.
Okay.
I'm giving you one back.
Action. So right now, this is the behind the scenes of me and Fast 16 Lenga shooting for the Vindet Bank. So we're doing the behind the scenes of how they process the apples and send them out. So this is like the behind the scene. So now we gotta get our jumpers because it's really cold. And one thing I've been learning about running gun filmmaking is that you need a Sony, a Lumix, maybe a Lumix S5 too, but it's S5 2X.
No, but you need to see the S5 too. The focus is proper. I see what you mean with this. There's a difference. Yeah.
Since we were using a Lumix S5, I started contemplating maybe I should have got a Sony camera, because in situations like this, it was so fast paced and you don't have time to tell people to stop. So this is one thing I learned about run and gun filmmaking, that you need a camera that's able to capture people and their activities quickly. It all makes sense why people end up getting a Sony camera, because it just makes life easy. I love my Lumix S5, but in this situation, it needed a camera that was fast. My bro has a Lumix S5 too, but he wasn't there, so that was the situation. Guys, we just finished shooting, doing our shoot, and yeah, it's been a long day. I've been working with CTF, Claim the Future. CTF to the game. So we just finished doing our shoot. It's just been a long day, too much bright sunlight. So we had to put the f-stop down all the way down to f22 because it was just too bright. And with the ND filter, the ND filter is not that good. I bought a cheap ND filter. In the future, I'll make sure that I buy an expensive ND filter, a variable ND filter. So it's just been interesting shooting in Namibia, like run and gunning. I've been using the Lumix S5, but I've come to realize that I think I need a Sony. If I'm going to be doing this for the rest of my life or for a short time in life, I need a FX6 or FX3 or a Sony camera. So what's good, people? We're going to do our first ever filmmaking masterclass.